Hi guys, how are you? Welcome to TrimView. I will tell you about what is image search engine, how can we use it. First of all, I will explain you what is image search engine. Okay, so this is Google. Then go and click images. Click on images. Just wait. This is image search engine. Google images. Type anything here. I will type nice quotes. It will go directly images option. See, you will get all images with dimensions. This image dimension 600 into 315. Like this. You can go down. All images will come. Go up. Here, click on tools. Here so many options will come. Colors. If you want to select any color, you can select here. Size. Large. See how it look like. Only large images will come fast. Click on medium. Medium images will come fast. Click on tools. Then click on. If you want any dimensions, you can click here. So I need 4 MB. I will click here. See, high resolution, high quality. Okay, high quality pixels will come here. 4 MB. Okay, so if you want to change, you can change 2 MB. Just wait, it will come. Okay, high resolution pictures will come fast. Okay, here large icon, so you can check here. So many options are there. Go each and every option and check. Type photo, clip art, animated. Click on animated. See what kind of images will coming here. Only animation videos will come. Images will come. Sorry. So clip art. Just check what kind of images coming here. Then click on face. See, face images will come here. Line drawing. See, like this. You can choose any option from this. Okay. See here, timing also we can select. I will select past 24 hours. Just see here, past 24 hours. So just past 24 hours only this images uploaded in the websites. I will keep photo directly. Now you can check here. This all images 13 hours, 4 hours, 4 hours, 5 hours. 5 hours before only these images crawled. Okay, this image is scrolled into the Google. Okay, I think maybe one day before they have uploaded these images in their websites. Within one day these images has been crawled into the Google. Okay, like this If you want to change timings like past month, past year, past week, if you want anytime, you can keep anytime. Like this, custom range also is there. You can choose this option if you want to go. Okay, so like this, we can use timing option also in images. Okay, more tools. Click on more tools. Show sizes. All results, show sizes. See, all sizes will come. All sizes. If you want to choose any image, depends on size, you can choose. When you click on that option, you will get all sizes on that image. By using that, you can choose any image. Okay, so sizes. Click on clear, everything will come normal. Okay, like this. You can use this tools option. So here, nice quotes, right? Here, love, life, friends, good morning, Tamil, wallpaper. Here so many options are there. When you click on positive, nice quotes will come here. When you click on life related nice quotes will come here. When you click on motivational related quotes will come here. Like this, you will get all images by using this all options. Okay, images. So I have one image. I want to know where that image has been taken. So by using this option, we can find out that. I will explain you that one. Go to Google, go to image search engine, upload image. Click on search by image. Click on upload an image. Choose. This is my image. Just wait. See, this is the image which I have uploaded. Okay, so I will show you where I have taken that image. Come down. Photos. Yes, I have taken that image by using this website. Okay, so you will get all websites. If you have taken any image from any website, it will going to get by using Google. So this is my image. This is my image. I have taken from Glassdoor. Glassdoor. Okay, so this is the image. see Glassdoor. Okay, when you click on this is the image. Click on view image. Come down. This is the image which I have taken from the Glassdoor. Like this friends, we can find any image also from Google image search engine. So friends, if you have any doubts related to image search engine, if you want to know anything from me about image search engine, you can give a comment. I will respond to your comment. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel. Thumbs up. Thank you.